In this video, I'm going to share with you how to animate a short form content, a vertical content to a wide horizontal content or vice versa. First thing up, like you need to get the bars, okay? The bars from somewhere, okay? This one here, I have made a bar right here, so it's like that, okay? This is what you need. You just need one, and you can flip it over, okay? So what you do, you export it out first from Procreate. So I want to do PNG, share to PNG. Okay, with any graphics, PNG is good. So what I do is share to Lumafusion. Okay, share to Lumafusion. Now it's in here. Okay, now take it on. 1 second, I did mistake. Right, share again. I need to turn off one thing. Okay, go to Procreate. Okay, let me undo the background. So there's no background there. Now I share PNG, Lumafusion. Or you can export it out in a file, okay, or folder or something like that, and you can use it over and over again. But right now, since I have this, I just use it whatever, okay? So basically it's here right now. You drag it on, boom. Now it has this thing here. What you do, make another copy, boom. Okay, then move it around like that. Okay, now you have your vertical content. Let's play that again. So you have your normal. Okay, you have your normal. Like that, right? That's back to normal. Okay, but we want to animate this. Okay, we want to animate this. Okay, so what you want to do, let's expand this out so we can have more room to play with. Let's start with this one first. Make sure you select the right clip to edit, okay? Otherwise you'll be in trouble. So right now we have something in the center like that, right? So turn on animation, boom, okay? Undo everything, okay? That's where we want to finish, okay? So we go from there. It's best to start backward, okay? So with this thing here, right, we just only need two. We don't want to do a simple one only. So basically, I want to expand out like that, okay? Go across the screen. So make an animation there, boom. Then go back to the beginning, okay? Then I want to move it out of the frame, like that. Let's play. Okay, getting there, but go back again. Somewhere in the middle. Let's play again. Okay, that's how simple it is to do an animation, and it's stopped there, right? Perfect. Now we have to do the opposite to the other one. Okay, the one on top here, boom. Start at the beginning as well, make a keyframe, boom. Go back there, and start from there, from outside the screen. Now let's play. How cool is that? With the cinematic, the bar on top, okay? You can do the similar process, but for us, for our purpose, we want to do a horizontal, okay? A Instagram, YouTube short kind of scenes, okay? This is what we do. And with this, you can change the color of the bars to whatever you want, okay? But black is what we normally see, right? But for this, we can change any color we want. Let's go back to Procreate. We can change this to whatever we want. Let's change the color. Very simple. Okay, now we're going to change the color. Okay, so the mirage of possibilities are there for you. But for us, for our purpose, we want to do an animation. Okay, so I'll show you already how to do it. Like that. Okay, so that. And resolve back to normal. It's up to you. Okay, very simple process. Now, if you don't have Procreate, okay, can you use whatever is in Lumafusion to do it? Of course you can. Okay, I'll show you that as well. If you don't have Procreate, now click on the plus button, main title, okay, drag it out. Say your text here, right? Go to text. Now you want to delete that. You don't want that, okay? So there's trash can right here. Delete it. Boom. Then there's a plus sign right here. Okay. Shape. Okay. With this shape, right, you can change to whatever you want. Okay. You can flip it around, change to a different color. So black. Okay, similar process. Okay, flip it around. So rotate it. Okay, whatever you want. 90 degree. I want 180 degree because I turned that. 90 degrees is good. Okay, then you expand it out. Okay, then you animate this as well. Okay, if you don't have Procreate, this is what you use. You go to the shape area. Okay, change the color. You achieve the same thing. Okay, let me undo that. Toss this out, boom. So that's the animation, very simple to do. Now, if you want to learn more about the basics of animation, check this video out right here, where I show you the simple step first, with just one frame, okay? One photo. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.